What's up, guys? My name is Juan Irizarry. This is Bree. Today we have and that's Cash. That's Cash. He's in the background. He's gonna be helping us today. This video is being sponsored by Whisk Takers. And yes, that is a play on words. We are going to be baking and creating one of their recipes here. This is s'mores brownies. Bree, what do you know about s'mores brownies?
I know, I can't wait to eat them.
So, Whisk Takers is actually a monthly recipe box that gets sent to you each and every month for as long as you like, and it breaks down the recipe for guys like me who are dummies in the kitchen, so you can easily create one of your favorite desserts. And today we're going to do just that, and we're going to make some brownies. One of the awesome things about Whisk Takers is that everything is measured out perfectly, so guys like me don't have to mess up the measurement on everything we do.
Okay, so awesome thing that we have right here is this awesome direction card. It is right down to the T, everything that you need to do, all of the steps right there listed for you, and it's in these terms that anyone can understand. So first thing we did was preheat our oven to 350 and grease our baking pan. That's pretty boring, so we skipped that part. Microwave some butter so that it's partially melted, approximately 25 seconds, and pour into a mixing bowl with number 1 and number 2. So you literally just need to find the numbered bags and pour them right into your mixing bowl.
All right, Juan here. Now we're cooking. Now we're adding the sugar here. So we're adding this to the bowl. All right. Next up, we got our number 2. What ingredient that is? Not sure, but I'm sure it's gonna make it look really tasty.
That is vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. So let's.
Cash is ready for it.
Cash approves. All right, now we got the butter, the melted butter. It's like Cash is making this. Okay, all the ingredients are here. So I do that, do this. Oh, we're mixing. That was exciting. Is that too high?
A little too high. Easy, easy, easy. I totally love how they word everything. So the next step is now combine your eggs and number 3 to the party. Whisk thoroughly so that they can meet. So now he is going to add, go ahead.
Number 3, all right.
That is vanilla extract and 2 eggs.
Sweet.
Next up, add number 4, 5, 6, and 7 to the bowl. Whisk until thicker than parental guilt. So now we've added in the flour. Everything's pre-measured once again, so literally all we have to do is open and dump it right in, and it's completely awesome. Adding in the cocoa powder now. It actually smells really good too.
It does.
So, yeah, add in number 6. That is the salt. And right after that, we have baking powder. So whisk it all together so that it's combined really nicely. And obviously, if you don't have a stand mixer, anything will do. You just gotta get it in there and get it mixed. Next up, just add in the chocolate chips. Our next instruction is to evenly sprinkle number 8, which is pink salt, along the bottom of the pan. So nice and even, babe. Nice and even.
Trying, man.
Even Steven.
The pan was hot already.
Not hot yet. Didn't bake it.
Am I doing a good job?
You're doing a great job.
Should I level this out?
Oh yeah, level those brownies. And now we are going to put our brownies into the oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, rotating once in between.
Doing just spread them out all over.
Let it rip. Just get them all up in there. Dump it.
The whole thing?
Oh yeah, all of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go cry. Just don't touch the pan from the top. Spread them out. Perfect. There it is. Oh yeah. Excellent. Are you ready? Final step. Are you ready?
Yeah. Don't put so much pressure on me.
Here we go. Number 9. Unleash your golden bears from number 10 and let them swim in your masterpiece. Swim, little buddy, swim.
We'll speed up this footage here. Oh, that's crazy. I get what they're trying to do here. This one be. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Me and Bree absolutely love the entire process of just being able to do something together, me learning a thing or two about cooking and baking. And on top of that, the brownies were exceptionally delicious. I actually love them. And, you know, when I think of brownies, I'm just like thinking about just your normal, you know, putting in a pan, chocolate chip brownies. But just the fact that this one was like extra special with like the marshmallows on top, and the, the little teddy bear graham crackers swimming in the marshmallow just gave it that kind of specialness that I really, really enjoyed, especially me not being a cook. So I highly recommend it. If you guys want to, you know, look into this for yourself, there is going to be a link down below with a coupon code for you to save some money to pick up a box or two. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Juan Irizarry, and again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.